Indian goes full MMA with custom-forged Sport Chief built for UFC champion. At the beginning of the month, Indian revealed a custom Sport Chief put together for Norman Reedus, the actor of The Walking Dead, Death Stranding, and a bike show running on AMC fame. That two-wheeler was put together by California-based Powerplant Motorcycles, and it was a sight to behold. So is the second bike of the limited run series, shown this week and assembled for retired UFC champion and MMA fighter TJ Dillashaw. This one is the work of Massachusetts-based Barnstorm Cycles, and it's extreme, to say the least. The bike adopts a look not often seen on custom builds. One that's sure to turn a lot of heads as it moves down the streets and give onlookers one of only two options: either love it or hate it. The paint job is responsible for this, a choice that makes the Sport Chief's main body parts look like they've been dressed in some kind of carefully crafted woodwork. But that's not the only extreme modification made to the stock two-wheeler. The Indian grants the rider a so-called locked-in riding position. That means the bike's fuel tank was narrowed and knee cutouts were devised on either side, so the rider can become one with the bike by propping their knees against it. The handlebar of the Sport Chief was raised by 2 inches and pulled back a little, with the entire front end sitting 1 inch higher than before thanks to a fork extension. The seat on which Dillashaw will rest his behind was covered in a custom upholstery with gripper fabric. The engine was not left in stock form either. It too was gifted with a bunch of novelties, most obviously coming as a chain conversion and a new cover set. A custom air intake works together with a stainless steel exhaust system to ensure the engine's breathing needs. As an extra step, a stage tune was performed, but how that translates into numbers was not disclosed. The wheels the engine spins seem to be the ones that originally shipped with the bike, only they now come in a color to match the insane body of the build. Neither Indian nor Barnstorm Cycles said anything about how much this machine cost to put together. But given how Dillashaw has an estimated worth of $7 million, that probably matters little. With the second forged build out of the way, we're now looking forward to the third one. It's being put together by Carey Hart for a yet unnamed celebrity, and it will be revealed on May 18th.